Welcome to our vlog! Hello! Yeah, pasa!
Aray!
Ito, mga ingay. Ang ingay niyang dalawang yan. Jesus! Mag-vlog? Pwede. Iba naman tapos. Sige, mag-vlog tayo. So, dapat may content. Sige, mamaya. Bye-bye!
천진 나만 청순 가련 새침한 척 이젠 지쳤나 귀찮아 매일 뭐해 어디야 밥은 잘자 baby 자기 여보 보고 싶어 다 부질없어 You got me like
Yeah, boy, Las Orcitas.
Ito nga ba yun?
We're not sure if this is Las Orcitas, pero ganda.
Ito tayo?
Ito lang pangalan na Las Orcitas.
Kaya nga,
Oo nga.
ito lang pangalan.
Ayun na, Las Orcitas. Yeah, boy. Las Orcitas, kita ba?
Ito ba yung sinabi sa inyo ni Papa Kuya?
So kumusta naman travel? Kumusta naman travel, guys? Kumusta naman travel? Okay lang kayo? Okay lang? Yung nasa likod, kaya pa ba?
Senyong!
So don't you worry your pretty little mind people throw rocks at things that shine and life makes love look hard the stakes are high the water's rough but this love is ours you never know what people have up their sleeves ghosts from your past gonna jump out at me lurking in the shadows with their lip gloss smiles but I don't care cause right now you're mine and you'll say don't you worry your pretty little mind people throw rocks at things that shine and light makes love look hard the stakes are high the water's rough but this love is ours
Ayan, tapos na po kami sa Las Orcitas. Ayan, kakain na po kami sa Nature's Garden.
Boy, si Javi, baka wala.
Hindi ko ma-explain yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Parang nagugutom na ako eh. Kanina pa kami di kumakain eh.
Wow!
Ito po yung aming sponsor ng food.
Yan. Kamusta naman Las Orcitas? Kamusta Las Orcitas?
Ayos po.
Kamusta yung Las Orcitas? Masaya. Okay. So yun lang, see you sa Nature's Garden!
We've got the open road, nothing but blue skies. Here's to the summer days and to the starry nights. We took the long way, it was the scenic route. You told me all the things that you could never live without. Oh, please, won't you leave me to my own thoughts? Oh no, won't you show me where these paths cross? Oh, take all the time that you could ever need. Oh, wait in the space where you first left.
Dito na po kami sa Nature's Garden. Pakainit po. Dito lang kami sa Liilom. Good boy. Yep. Whoop! Nature's Garden, man. Sobrang solid ng security nila. Legit. Ayan. So yan.
How long it takes to change our point of view. tell yourself, taking the same advice you gave to someone else. We've reached a crossroad, a split decision. You said you'd play along with only one condition. Oh please, won't you leave me to my own thoughts? Oh no, won't you show me where these paths cross? Oh, take all the time that you could ever need. Oh, wait in the space where you first left me. Years from now, we'll see exactly how all of these twists and turns wrap me up with you. And on the way, we'll make the same mistake.
Ay, solid! Sobrang solid na garden. Lagi. Ngayon, de-dessert naman kami sa...
I don't
Saan
know.
dessert?
Jollibee.
Kamusta naman yung Nature's Gift Garden? Ayun naman. Thank you po, kuya. Thank you po. Solid, solid. Ganda ng place. Recommend. Ayos ba, Kuya Javi? Ayos. Kuya Lindan, ayos ba?
Ayos.
Sige, guys. Yan. Iba po yung daan na napuntahan namin. Ang ganda ng camera mo, ah. Yeah, bye. Road trip. Ibang daan, di po kami magro-rojas pero sabi ni Waze something. Ayan. Let's see what happens.
We'll go to work. It's the same thing to me. He's got his mother's eyes, his father's ambition. I wonder if he knows how much that I miss him. I hang on every word you say, and you'll smile and say, "How are you?" I'll say, "Just fine." I always forget to tell you I love you. I love you.
Bawal ang bata!
Gusto nyo?
Ang gusto natin!
Come back, I'll be with you someday. I'll be right here on the ground when you come back down. Tall, dark, and beautiful. He's complicated, he's irrational, but I hope.
Gusto na po kami sa Jollibee drive-thru. Hey! Anong order niyo?
Sunday.
Kahit Saturday.
Bigla na lang po namin.
Bagong-bago.
Ang alin, joke.
Kaya to?
Matagal to.
Caramel macchiato. Tatlo pala. Tunaw na. Hindi na yung iba.
Ano na? Dessert!
Sobrang init. Sobrang init ata nung hot fudge nila.
Doon na sa Kalapan, no?
Pag ako'y kumain, sino ka-drive?
Walang magdadrive!
Pa-park na lang, ma'am. Sir na lang po lahat.
Okay. Papark po tayo.
May pepe yung unang gawa.